Sun is setting. Suli, Saluki, Monster, Finbar, Fin. We're walking outside the pecan grove and it's not dark anymore because all the leaves are off. No, we're not going down there, hun bun. Bun. Every day, hundreds of nuts are expelled. I've been gathering them up each day. Every day there's a whole new billions, bazillions, gazillions dropped. It's quite amazing. There's only a few trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But it's enough for buckets and buckets, pounds and pounds every day.